Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door gasket in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door gasket. The door gasket is mounted on the dishwasher cabinet, preventing water leaks from the door. If there is a puddle on the floor under the door after the wash cycle is completed, the door gasket should be checked and replaced if needed. Open the door. Hold the end of the gasket at the bottom and pull it out of the groove around the door opening. This is the old door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Use the flathead screwdriver to clean the groove and the sponge to clean the bottom. Find the middle and insert the new door gasket into the groove, starting in the center, right under the door latch hook with a side that has a small lip facing out. You can put some liquid soap on the gasket for easier installation. Stretch the gasket some when you turn the corners. After you're done, close the door for a few times. It will require a little push until the gasket will shape up. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.